All right, today we're making two oat smoothies today. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. First smoothie on the left, using maple syrup, almond milk, walnuts, and a banana. And of course, rolled oats. Make sure it's rolled oats. And the smoothie on the right, going to use coconut milk, cinnamon, apple, and pitted dates. Okay? All right, you're gonna go ahead and get your blender. I use a Ninja blender to blend this, because you're making smoothies. So first thing you do is put at least 1 cup of milk. And once you put 1 cup of milk, then add a cup of rolled oats. As you can see, I really made a kind of crazy mess here. I have no time to clean it up for the camera. So anyway, then you add a banana. I use a pretty reasonable size large banana. I mean, you can use a smaller one, but I think a nice size big banana is probably good enough. So, once you put all that in there, and then to kind of give it some sweetening, to make it a little sweeter, you're not adding sugar. This is kind of a no sugar type, smoothie. Add a sugar smoothie. Just add like a tablespoon or two of maple syrup. Once you do all that, it's time to blend. You know what I mean? Now, since it's banana and rolled oats, and syrup, it's gonna blend. Now, as you can see, I forgot the walnuts, but hey, but you should add walnuts in there. But just blend it. You know what I mean? So it doesn't take long. It's gonna mesh really well. You're gonna taste a little oats. You know what I mean? You can kind of soak it if you want to. Some people soak all this about 5 minutes and then put it in a blender. But to me, I think it's just fine the way it is. Put the blender to the side and let's go ahead and put it in the jar. Now, normally what I do, I just screw on the top and put a straw on it and boom. Again, I use this as a quick to go type thing when I don't have time to eat really breakfast. So, see, now you're ready to enjoy your oat smoothie. So let's get ready for the next one. All right. Now we're going to put a cup of almond milk. Actually, don't put the milk in first. In this case, you throw the apples in first. Because, again, you want everything to blend really well. So you just put the apples in first. And then once you throw the apples, then you put in the pitted dates, because, obviously, it's going to take a couple of extra seconds for the dates to kind of blend. So it's best to do that first as opposed to what I did in the first smoothie. Go ahead and pour your coconut milk, a cup, 1 cup of coconut milk, and then you add your oatmeal. I didn't want to add oatmeal first in this case because, again, it's just oatmeals tend to stick at the bottom. That's why I always try to put it, second or last to put the milk in, depends on the smoothie. Go ahead and put it at the top on there. And let's go ahead and blend that thing. So, all right. Blend it. Now, this may take a little bit longer than this first smoothie because, we're talking about trying to, break down some apples and some dates, and that, it takes really a good blender to break that down really well. So, as you can see, all right, it looks smooth. So the real test is what it looks like when I pour it in the glass. All right. Did I leave it lumpy? Now, if you leave it lumpy, just pour it back into the blender and blend it again. You know what I mean? If it's too lumpy. I think I did pretty good because I had it on the blender for a little while. So, okay, see, I think I did pretty good. See, there's no lumps. You know what I mean? This, just so you know, I'm gonna probably drink this tomorrow because I don't want this to waste. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. It's probably gonna thicken overnight. And then, to make it really nice, just add a little cinnamon to it. So there you have it. There you two smoothies. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.